bird.
And Mr. Bean's like is in the way.
Okay, there should have been more.
Look, it's a little bird.
You're gonna make you go in the shop, you're gonna freeze like a rock.
Well, that's good.
Good luck with this.
It's got that killer eyes right now. It wants to attack.
Mr. Bean, don't even Mr. Bean, you know Amanda's afraid of birds and she's freaking out in the back of the classroom. You really got to say that.
You were afraid of birds? It's not like it's a vulture or something.
Really? Did you see how she jumped up on me?
You know Sean, right?
Sean who?
Buzzard?
Yeah.
You know how scared he is of birds?
Is he
Do
really?
you see how scared she is? Look at her. Cindy, look at her. Look at her. She's freaking out back there.
Oh, Mr. Bean.
Have you ever caught a bird before?
It's gonna like.
It's not a baby. It's not a baby.
Watch, it's gonna fly like red hair.
No, it's not.
It's like, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? They just let it keep it.
It's confused. That's why.
Hey! Sit down. Amanda.
Here, Mr. Bean.
Why don't you sit down? Amanda. Why don't you sit down and cover up your eyes and be quiet? Thank you. The only thing I was worried about, Barnabas, did it go? The only thing I was worried about was if it was hurt.
It kind of is. It's not spinning out.
It's not moving.
Probably it's
Kind of crashed into a window.
You hit the window.
You hit the window.
touching you no more. Stay away from me.
It almost looked like you squished him.
Oh God!
No, it didn't really.
Look at you
Like he
did.
had a leg when he was already sitting there. It looked like he had a problem.
The moment.
He's not feeling too well. He's kind of sick.
You're the
I wrote that in.
Go to her screen.
That's just Mr. Bird.
I'm pretty sure there's something on my back too.
I was wondering if we could find her.
Is it still there?
Yeah, he's right here.
Are you serious? I can't see.
Yeah.
That means it's probably hers.
I know it's hurt, but it shouldn't be inside.
Poor bird. What if it falls off the leg?